fire engine. That's the sound of his sirens. Finley, the fire engine. Here comes Finley, it's time to play. Ring, 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 somebody's calling. Clang, 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 there goes the bell. Zoom, 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 rev up your engines. Here comes Finley and all his friends. Finley, the fire engine. Hear the sound of his sirens. Finley, the fire engine. Here comes Finley, it's time to play. Ring, 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 let's play with Finley. Clang, 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 hear the bell ring. Zoom, 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 rev up your engines. Here comes Finley and all his friends. Finley, the fire engine. That's the sound of his sirens. Finley, the fire engine. Here comes Finley, it's time to play.
Big day for garbage.
Hiya, Gorby. Picking up lots of trash today?
Boy, am I. I'm stuffed. I better go unload at the garbage dump. You want to come?
Sure. Nothing like a morning drive to get the old engine revving, especially after a can of fresh oil. Whoa! That's a lot of garbage!
Yup. The dump's been getting fuller and fuller, Finley. I don't know if it can fit much more. Uh-oh. I was afraid of this. Pah! There's just no room for any more trash in the garbage dump.
But Gorby, if there's no room at the dump for more garbage, what will you do?
Good question. If I have no place to dump the trash, then I can't collect the trash. And that means I can't be a garbage truck anymore.
Poor Gorby.
Poor Friendlyville. All that trash piling up. It'll get dirtier and dirtier, not to mention the smell.
I bet Super Truck would know what to do. He'd just take all the trash, squeeze it into a tiny ball, and hurl it into outer space.
Sounds to me like Friendlyville folks need to learn about the 3 R's.
Yep.
Reading, writing, and arithmetic?
Nope.
Reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Yep.
You see, folks need to try harder to cut down or reduce the amount of trash they make. Like I use 1 paper towel instead of 2 to clean your windshield.
Now, reuse is when you take something you're done with and find a new way to use it.
Like when I gave my old tire to the school so kids could use it for a swing?
Yep.
Of course, the thing that would really help the dump is if everyone recycled.
What's that?
Well, you take old stuff, put it in a machine, turns it into something brand new.
Whoa! That sounds like magic.
Follow me and I'll show you. I'm heading for the recycling center right now to drop off these old newspapers.
See you later, Carl.
Not if I see you sooner, Reggie.
See, kids? This is what you call a recycling center. Now, you can't recycle every kind of trash, but paper, plastic, bottles, and cans are perfect for it. In with the old and out with the new.
Wow.
But Reggie, how did all this stuff wind up here instead of the garbage dump?
Simple, Finley. Folks put their recyclable stuff in one of these special bins and leave them on the curb. That's how I know it's for me.
Hey guys, I got an idea. There's gotta be all kinds of trash at the dump that isn't really trash at all.
Yes, and could come here to be recycled.
And that would give Gorby's dump all sorts of extra room for more garbage.
Well, what are we waiting for?
Can I have some of these recycling bins, Reggie?
You bet, Finley. Take all you need.
Remember, paper, plastic, glass, and cans. That's the stuff that we can recycle.
This'll take some serious teamwork. Yeah, sure will.
Well, let's get started.
It's so dirty.
You know, Miguel, we could use someone to put these recycling bins around town.
That would be me.
Recycling, recycling, it's not hard to do. Recycling, recycling, good for me and you. Recycling, recycling, it's a thing to do. Take something that's old and make it new. Soda bottles, paper and plastic. Recycling is just fantastic. Put them in a special bin. That's what you call recycling. Recycling, recycling, it's not hard to do. Recycling, recycling, good for me and you. Recycling, recycling, it's a thing to do. Take something that's old and make it new. Take something that's old and make it new. Recycling, recycling, it's not hard to do. Recycling, recycling, good for me and you. Recycling, recycling, it's a thing to do. Take something that's old and make it new. Soda bottles, paper and plastic. Recycling is just fantastic. Put them in a special bin. That's what you call recycling. Recycling, recycling, it's not hard to do. Recycling, recycling, good for me and you. Recycling, recycling, it's a thing to do. Take something that's old and make it new. Take something that's old and make it new. Take something that's old and make it new.
Sorry. I'd like to pick you up, but I got nowhere to dump you. So, I guess it's goodbye. I'll never forget our special Tuesday morning pickups. Your stinky smell, flies buzzing all around.
Hiya, Gorby. I've got something that's really gonna cheer you up.
Thanks, Isabel, but I'm too sad to even think about ice cream.
Who said anything about ice cream? Now close your eyes and follow me, 'cause it's a surprise. Okay, Gorby, you can open them now.
Well, what do you think, Gorb?
Couldn't you just burst?
But how? Who? Where'd all the garbage go?
That's just it. Not all of it was garbage.
Lots of it was stuff we could recycle. Bet you now the garbage dump can be used for lots more years.
And I can keep on collecting garbage.
And from now on, we're gonna spread the word about the 3 R's.
Reduce, so you use less stuff.
reuse, so things don't have to be thrown out.
And recycle! Yeah! Awesome!
There's one more R you forgot about.
Huh?
You guys are the best pals ever.
Nothing like a little oil to get the creaks out before bedtime.
Let me get that for you, Captain.
Why, thank you, Finley.
There's a better place for this can. It's morning!
Whoa, slow down, Finley. Where's the fire?
No fire, Captain Parker. I'm just super excited because today I'm gonna play wheel hockey. It's so fun!
Well, it must be to get you up before Mr. Bell.
Thanks, Scout. Watch this.
Yep, I played some wheel hockey myself when I was your age. It's all in the hose.
All in the hose. Thanks, Captain Parker.
Good morning, Fire Station number 5. Hey, where'd everybody go?
Okay, a little to the left. No, back to the right. Now, a little forward.
They look pretty good to me, Miguel.
According to the official wheel hockey rules and regulations, the goal cans have to be in a perfectly straight line. Ha! I thought so. 1/8 of a smidge off. Back to the left, Scooty.
Oh, I just love watching these here little trucks play wheel soccer.
Wheel soccer? This is wheel hockey. Completely different. Oil cans for goalposts, lines on the court.
Well, whatever you may choose to call it, I find it positively thrilling to watch.
You guys, look what Gorby found.
It's chalk. We can use it to mark the playing ground. See?
Wow, that's perfect.
I know, and I found it in the trash. Can you believe somebody threw it away?
The trash? Ew! That chalk's dirty.
Maybe, but it sure works good.
Hey, any of you tire heads want to go to the construction site with me? I gotta pick up a load of gravel.
No, thank you.
We're gonna play wheel hockey.
Well, fine then. Play your dumb game. Us real trucks have work to do.
I wonder what's wrong with him.
Will that be the usual, hun?
Mm-hmm. Okay, guys, we're gonna need 2 teams.
I call Miguel.
Okay, Gorby, that means you're with me. You can be on our team, Jessie.
Me? Oh no, Finley. I'm not very good.
Wheel hockey isn't about being good. It's about having a good time. You'll see.
But I don't even know how to play.
It's easy. You just try to kick the ball between those cans.
Well, I guess I could try.
Okay, since we've got 3 on our team, you guys get to start with the ball. Ready, Scout?
And the game is on! It's Miguel with the ball. He slams a sizzler to Scooty.
He's got the green light to shoot.
I got it! I got it!
And it's intercepted by Finley! He passes to Gorby, who's in position to... No, wait! He's blocked by Scooty and Miguel. It's bumper to bumper out there!
Jesse, catch!
What? No, wait!
No, I can't look.
Finley gets the pass. He shoots! He scores! Goal! That's 1 point for Finley's team with an assist from Jesse!
I did an assist? Yeah! I did an assist! What's an assist?
An assist is when you help score a goal by setting up a shot for your teammate, like Finley.
Oh, I get it. I did an assist.
Aw, does this belong to you?
Yep, we're playing wheel hockey.
You sure you're not playing fetch?
What'd you do that for, Dex? We were having fun until you bumpered in.
Hey, your dumb ball was in my way. I got a bunch of gravel to unload. Oops, I'm sorry. Is that where you were playing?
Well, that wasn't very nice.
Huh, I don't remember asking you, Half Pint. Besides, it's just a stupid game.
If I was big like Super Truck, Dex wouldn't be able to pick on us like that.
Oh, gravel on the field is definitely not regulation.
Guess we'd better start cleaning up.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go try to find the ball. Come on, Scout. I can't believe Dex would wreck a game like that, Scout. I wonder why he's such a bully. Do you see the ball anywhere?
Hey there, Finley. What are you doing out here? I thought today was your big wheel hockey game.
It was, till Dex came along and ruined it.
What happened?
He kicked our ball way out here and dumped gravel where we were playing.
Oh, that's too bad. It sounds like he wanted to end your game.
Yeah. I don't know why he always has to be such a big bully.
I don't suppose anyone asked if Dex wanted to play wheel hockey, too.
Dex? Are you kidding? All he ever does is call it a dumb game and make fun of us.
You know, Finley, sometimes when a truck like Dex is left out or lonely, he tries to cover it up by acting tough and mean to others.
Really?
That way, if he's not having fun, no one else can have fun either.
You think that's why Dex is being so mean? Because he really just wants to play with the rest of us?
Could be, little trucko.
There. I think that's all of it.
Now we just need to fix the goalposts.
Oh no, not again.
Oh, go away, Dex. We just finished cleaning up your mess.
Oh, so now I suppose you're gonna play your dumb game again?
Yes, we are. And there's just one thing I want to ask you, Dex. Do you want to play with us?
Finley? What are you doing?
Play wheel hockey with all of you? I don't know. I mean, it's just a dumb game and it doesn't look that fun. Still, you tireheads obviously need someone with talent to show you how it's done. Come on, you're on my team.
And it looks like the game is back in play, truck fans!
Hey, over here! I'm open! Nice shot, Half Pint.
Teamwork to get the job done. Teamwork, all it takes is teamwork. Teamwork, so much fun.
And then Dex blocked Gorby's shot, but Jesse and I still scored a goal.
Well, it sounds like Dex ended up being fun to play with after all.
Yep, you were right, Captain Parker. He wasn't a bully anymore once we invited him to play with us.
It's always more fun when everyone plays. Why, back when I was a little engine, we'd get the whole neighborhood in a game. The thing about wheel hockey is it always manages to tire you out. Isn't that right, Finley? Finley?
Hey, hey, Finley, the fire engine's rolling into town. Let's go, Finley, we light up whenever you're around. Hey, hey, Finley, you're the fire engine of the year. Let's go, Finley, Friendlyville's so happy you are here. Hey, hey, Finley, we light up whenever you're around.